Hi guys, hope you are doing amazing. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about lip care and newest launch by Just Herb. So Just Herbs has recently launched lip masks and lip scrubs. They also come in combos. You can buy them separately, and the range has 5 variants, which is really amazing. I was really excited because this is the first time I'm going to try out a lip mask from an Ayurvedic brand, which is 100% vegan and cruelty free as well. So I am already testing out the Rose lip mask and lip scrub for the past 1 month. They sent me all the variants in the beginning of last month sometime, or the mid of last month sometime, but I have been using these for almost a month, and I am in love, to be honest. I am someone who struggles with very dry lips all the time, and right now all I am wearing is like liquid lipstick, and you know how liquid lipsticks make your lip really dry, but you cannot do much about it because with the mask situation going on, you have to make sure you are wearing a lipstick that doesn't transfer and you end up with very dry desert kind of lip. So these products are perfect solution for all the worries. So I have the scrub here, and as you can see, I have been using it for some time now. There is a dent, very visible dent here. It is pink in color and it smells really nice. And similarly, here is the lip mask. I have taken out the protective lid. Both of them also have another lid on them, but I've taken it out because I'm using these daily, this daily and this on alternate days, like twice a week. This is the outer packaging. This is how they come. This is the cardboard box they come in. The box looks very pretty. This is like a pista green and pastel pink color, very pretty. And from the inside you get these small cute little tubs, and these contain 15 grams of product, which is I think quite a nice quantity. I'll show you a close-up of the lip mask. This is the tub that lip mask comes in, and once you roll it around, you will see the complete ingredients list mentioned on it here. Here you can see the beautiful texture of the lip mask, and here is the lip scrub, and again you can see the texture of the lip scrub very clearly. Now you can use these as a regime, or you can use them separately. You can buy them as combos, because they have both lip scrub and lip mask in 5 separate variants like fragrances. So all of them have 2 main ingredients common, which are gotu-kola and licorice. So gotu-kola is a really famous herb which is good for revitalizing and reviving the skin. So when you apply it on your lips, it's going to revive and revitalize the skin on your lips. And licorice is known for lightening the pigmentation, which means this lip mask and lip scrub, especially the lip mask, if you use it regularly every night, you will see that the lip pigmentation has decreased gradually. I'm going to show you the texture of the lip scrub first. This is the texture of the lip scrub, and as you can see, it feels very rich and very emollient, and when you apply it on your lips, it feels very moisturizing. Even the scrub feels very moisturizing, which is really amazing. I am going to apply it now because I cannot stop myself. Apply very little amount on your lips and just massage. Don't put too much pressure, just massage it very nicely and gently. I've been scrubbing my lips for good 1 minute, and I'm going to just wipe it off and come back. So once your lips are scrubbed nicely, take a damp cloth and just wipe your lips. As you can see, my lips are looking very soft now, and they have turned a little pink, I think because of the scrubbing, but I really like how my lips are feeling. Very soft, touchably soft, and it has apricot shells, like the powder of apricot shells that scrub your lips, but it is not abrasive at all. It doesn't make your lips burn or anything, which is what happens with me when I apply lip scrubs. So the granules are very small, and you have to make sure you do not apply too much pressure, because you are not scrubbing your ankles, you are scrubbing your lips. And next is the lip mask. The lip mask has such a beautiful, as you can see, it has a very nice and thick texture, which is what a lip mask should have. You apply it and it feels so good. It immediately feels extremely nourishing and moisturizing, and I leave it overnight, and next morning my lips feel really nice and really smooth. And I really love that how it has combination of a lot of natural oils and butters. Now that we are done with the 2-step process, I'm going to show you all the other variants here. So here you have mint lip mask and mint lip scrub. As you can see, both are green in color and both have very nice minty fragrance. The fragrance in these does not feel headache inducing or overpowering, which is what I love, because the product is going on your mouth and you do not really want extreme like intense fragrance there. I don't enjoy lip products with too much fragrance. These feel really nice. Even the rose one that I've applied doesn't really smell like anything now that I've applied it. It's been like 2-3 minutes. Next we have cardamom lip mask, which definitely smells like cardamom elaichi, and cardamom lip scrub. Then you have green apple lip mask and lip scrub here. And here you have peach lip mask and lip scrub, and they definitely smell like peaches. Very nice fragrance. So yeah, a lot of you ask me what to do when you have pigmented lips. So all you have to do is keep them well moisturized, use the right ingredients, and then scrub them often. Often doesn't mean daily, it means you scrub them at least twice a week with a gentle scrub. So keeping them moisturized is the key. So using a lip mask with licorice as main ingredient, licorice and gotu kola, will definitely help you with the lip pigmentation. Also remember, with skincare, nothing is immediate. You have to use it patiently and regularly without fail to see the results. So yeah, I am going to link all the products in the description box. Do not forget to check them out. I highly recommend you guys to check out the lip mask and lip scrubs from Just Herbs. These are really worth buying. Also, lip mask can be used as a lip balm when your lips are very dry, which is what is going to happen with me in winters. So I have always liked Just Herbs products because the quality is really good. These are 100% Ayurvedic. They are made from all the natural ingredients, 100% vegan and cruelty free. You can also use my code mentioned on the screen to get some discount on your purchases. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.